Hey guys, I'm Matt and this is my wife Kate and we're Cronulla Pools. There's a lot that goes into building a pool, and rather than bore you with diagrams and flowcharts, we thought we'd show you. This video is of a recent pool we built in Cronulla, and while no two pools are ever exactly the same, this should give you a pretty good idea of what you're in for. Enjoy.
Stage 1, site preparation. Let's get this bad boy started and clear the site ready for excavation. This can be done by you or us, depending on how much stuff you've got to clear out. The temporary fencing will also get delivered so we can safely secure the site during construction. Stage 2, excavation. This part of the build can take anywhere between a day and a week, depending on your access and what's lurking underground. Talk to your pool builder about rock or sand and what you might be up for if you were to come across them. Stage 3, formwork and steel fixing. Your pool will really take shape during this stage. Here we install the formwork outlining the shape of your pool, and we're guided by our structural engineer's drawings to tie the steel necessary to reinforce and strengthen that concrete shell. Stage 4, pre-plumb. The skimmer box and pipework for your pool suctions, returns and heating provisions are run, which will connect to your filtration system that's installed later on. Stage 5, concrete. Ta-da! The concrete is sprayed during this stage. Here we can also pour the concrete for your pool surrounds if you like, because we're pretty handy like that. Stage 6, concrete cure. We all need a rest to be our best sometimes, and concrete is no different. Here the concrete rests and strengthens for 3 weeks. While you wait for it to harden up, go and check out some tiles, beadcrete, and get your pool fence ordered. Stage 7, tiling and waterline. Let's make this pool pretty. You've selected your tiles, now it's time for us to install them. If you'd wanted to fully tile your pool, now would be the time this would get done. Step 8, electrical and filtration equipment. Have you considered the type of water you'd like to swim in? Mineral versus salt water, heated all year round? At this stage, the electrical work is completed to get the lights and filter hooked up and the filtration equipment installed. Step 9, permanent pool fencing. Time to take down the temporary stuff so that the fancy permanent fence can be installed. These come in all shapes and sizes and are a big important factor in the compliance of your pool. If this doesn't meet the necessary requirements, you won't be able to obtain your OC. Step 10, prep pool for interior. We acid wash before to clean the concrete and rid it of any stains and loose particles that could affect the finished product. Step 11, interiors. We love designer beadcrete. It's applied like a render to the interior pool walls and steps. We then acid wash after the interiors are installed to give the beadcrete its final exposure so that the glass sparkles underwater. Step 12, fill and balance. It's pretty important to fill the pool straight after the interiors have been installed to ensure it doesn't dry out. Once the pool is full, we'll start up the equipment and chemically balance the pool water. Step 13, minerals or salt are added. The pool will run for 4 weeks until the minerals or salt are added. This is because as the beadcrete continues to cure, the calcium levels increase. They level out at 4 weeks, which is why we wait till then to add anything to the pool. Step 14, handover. We're almost there, guys. Here we meet you on site one last time to sit down and explain the operation and the maintenance of your pool. Now all that's left to do is to kick back, relax and dive in. So what are you waiting for? We'd love to hear from you. Let's build your pool together.